Good afternoon, welcome to another video from Barclay Motor Company of Hopwood, South Birmingham. 66,000 miles on a 2014, registered in the latter part of that year, 64 plate. Okay, 7 seats, diesel, automatic. Looks good in white with those freshly repowder coated anthracite alloy wheels. See the tyres have all got loads of tread on. £6,995. Diesel, auto, 7-seater. Looks really good. Just driven it, drives really well. Air conditioning's cold. Black leather, heated seats, electric seats, memory seats, folding mirrors, running boards, aluminium roof rails, privacy glass, rear park sensors. Great thing, this. Good value for money. Just been serviced. Just been MOT'd. I like it a lot. Fresh, clean, not stone chipped. Lovely and clean inside. Nicely finished these, based on an older Mercedes diesel engine and gearbox and suspension design. Leather seats, cruise control, multifunction steering wheel, heated seats, really clean. Nice in there too. If we lift this handle, fold these forward, there you go. 7 seats in the rear. Rear park sensors. Obviously, if you fold the 7 seats into the floor, they have a really big luggage capacity, really big load area. The seats up, not so big. That's a good looking car. Got those aluminium roof rails. New tyres on the back. Running boards, paintwork's nice, good tyres on the front, not all scuffed or tatty or anything, really nice. There you go, memories for the seats, folding mirrors, electric driver's seat, leather's in good condition, not worn, switchable 2-wheel, 4-wheel, low and high ratio. Cruise control there on the steering wheel. 66,600 miles. Cold air conditioning. Climate control. £6,995. Lot of automatic diesel 7-seat 4-wheel drive that. Please visit www.bmc-cars.co.uk. That's our website. This video will be hosted on our YouTube channel, Barclay Motor Company 5243. If you head over there, you can watch this video over and over again, along with over 2,000 other car videos we've produced over the last 2 years. You can thumb through those. There's a few SsangYong Rextons. It's a car we do buy and sell quite a lot of, actually. If you will be so kind as to subscribe to our YouTube channel, then you will get a notification every time we upload a fresh vehicle into stock. You will be one of the first people in the country to know we've just had that car in. Thank you very much for your time today, and goodbye.